Imagine a place where your creativity is celebrated. Your printer is your best crafting tool, and you get to craft with friends. That is exactly what I've built, and I am so excited to introduce you to Honey Prints Paper Co. Crafting made sweet, simple, and joyful. And I couldn't be more excited to finally introduce you to my brand new Paper Printables Crafting Club. This is a super fun online membership made especially with you in mind. This is for all of my crafty friends who love to make beautiful things but don't like to spend hours hunting for ideas or supplies. Each month, members get access to a brand new printables collection. Think adorable seasonal crafts, treat toppers, card making elements, tags, home decor, and so much more. All designed for easy printing and crafting at home. Plus, you get to be part of a warm and welcoming community of like-minded crafters who love to share their ideas and their creations. Here's a quick peek at the website. It's super easy to use. Members get instant access to current month's collections, plus bonus printables, our private craft community, a members-only blog, inspo board, tips, tricks, and so much more. And this is our cozy members only space, blurred a little bit to keep it a surprise, but I promise you it's packed with inspiration, printable goodies, and special perks just for you. So I'm going to show you just how simple and easy this is. So once you become a member and you log in, of course you're going to gain access to that exclusive members only area. You'll go to the library, and that is where all the collections and downloads are going to be. So this just happens to be the Lemonade collection. So here's just a look at some of those printables that will be in that collection you'll be able to utilize, print, and craft with. But let's specifically work on this one here. Is this not so cute? Little lemons, pink and yellow ones, just kind of halves, and they can be used for so many different things, but let me show you a cute idea. So once you've downloaded this file, you'll go ahead and print it. I will give you a little tip here. It is a good idea to print on 110-pound cardstock. You're gonna get the best quality for your crafting on that. So now that we have our design, we're gonna take our scissors and simply cut it out. So what I'm going to do with this is I have these cute little colored lunch sacks or treat bags. You'll put your goodie or your treat in there, fold over the top edge, and it's just as easy as clipping on your little lemon slice to the top with a mini clothespin. How cute is that? Now, if you don't have clothespins, no worries. Just grab out some glue and just tape it or stick it right onto the top. That's one thing you're going to hear me preach over and over and over again on Honey Prints is use what you have. And the three things that I really focused on when it came to creating these printables for you is keeping things easy, simple, affordable, great for beginners, but if you're a seasoned crafter, this is great for you too because you can take all of these projects and turn them into your own. And that is definitely what I'm hoping for in the crafting community as we can share our ideas with each other. But you will be able to go on my Instagram and YouTube under Honey Prints Paper Co. I'll also link those down below for you, where you'll see short, quick videos of each one of the printables being used in a fun and unique way. But again, you are always welcome to make them your own. So I hope what I've done is taken all the prep work out for you, saved you a ton of time so you can spend less time prepping and more time creating. Ready to give it a try? You can use coupon code PRINTANDCRAFT, which will save you $2 off your first month, and it is the absolute perfect way to dip your toes in and see what it's all about. I think the most fun part of this whole membership is our crafting community. You don't just have to download and craft alone. Every time you come into the craft room, you'll be able to share your creations, ask questions, get inspiration from others, cheer each other on, and even form lasting friendships. We host fun community challenges, and I happen to have a giveaway happening right now. And it is so easy to enter. All you have to do is become a member. You'll gain access to over 100 printables. Make one project with one of those printables, upload a photo in the community, and you'll be automatically entered to win a special crafty giveaway. You don't need fancy tools or a lot of free time. You just need a printer, some scissors, a little space to craft, and you're all set. So don't wait, come and join us at honeyprintspaperco.com where creativity and community meet. And crafting is as easy as print, cut, and go. And of course, our official craft mascot, Honey, is always ready to cheer you on with a tail wag and a sprinkle of joy. So go ahead and click the link below to get started, and don't forget to use your coupon code PRINTANDCRAFT to save you $2 off. And then have so much fun exploring inside your exclusive members only area on honeyprintspaperco.com. You're gonna gain so many ideas and inspiration. And then don't forget to come say hi in our new creative space. I cannot wait to craft with you. And from me and Honey, happy crafting, friends. Oh, you like crafting too, don't you? Yes. She is the best crafty helper. And the cutest one.